Hello YouTube, welcome to Race Car Fabrication and Restoration. I'm Ronnie Humphrey. As always, I appreciate you joining me today. We're going to get this truck loaded up so we can get it to the paint shop and get some color on it. We're also going to show you our new project car. So stay tuned. Well, it is currently 105 degrees here and the humidity is about 98, feels like. It is just blistering hot. We're going to get this truck here pushed back out of the way and I'm going to load it up in the shade. And when I get this thing loaded up, we're going to turn the ACs on out here, but it is just unbelievable hot. I want to show you our little BMW we picked up. You follow along with us on the last episode. This is a little 518, I think it is. I can't remember, but this is gonna be our little chump car, or champ car now. It's actually champ car endurance series, but we're gonna run it in some 24 hours of lemons as well. But it's a really tricked out little car. Got a lot of motor stuck in there. This is a couple of year later BMW motor that's in the car, but it's pretty sweet. Street legal, that's the cool thing about it. Well, actually, we're on the Mount seat over here. My son's wanting to get my grandson to pick him up at school with it. But I tell you what, on days like today, you wouldn't want to be able to drive it. But anyway, it's a lot of neat things, a lot of camber in the front end and rear. Of course, the independent rear suspension on the back. But these cars have to be made essentially out of stock components. And there's some stuff you can do, but we're really looking forward to kind of change something over just a little bit and have some fun with this car. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So anyway, let's see if we can get back on this truck here. We got all of our paint here picked up. Everything is ready. And we're going to have to tape it up tomorrow at the body shop. We'll cover all that and we'll get it over there in the morning. But let's see if we can get this thing loaded up. Well, my son-in-law, Heath, just showed up and he is getting the decals put onto the trailer. I guess that could be nice to try to help him here. He's got a bad shoulder, so he's having to kind of do this like a one-armed bandit. We'll keep up with his progress as well. I got to get in here and get this truck strapped down. He got finished up with the decals on the trailer. Since the trailer is black and white, we decided just to go simple with black letters. I think that's kind of clean looking. And we played with a bunch of different designs and colors. We decided just to go with the old standard black. I think that'll look good. We are actually going on another trip. Would you believe, picking up another project? We just got back from picking up the BMW from Minnesota. We're headed out Tennessee Sunday after we get done with church, and we're going to get another project. I'm gonna wait and surprise you with it, but I think you're gonna like it. We got the truck all loaded up and strapped down. I got the ramp strapped down, charging up my battery right now on my winch. And we are almost, we're almost there. So we're gonna shut this shop down. It is so hot out here. We're gonna shut this thing down and see if we can get this thing delivered in the morning. And that's where we're at. Well, good morning. It's early Saturday morning. We're gonna make our way over to the body shop. We don't have to go but about 7 or 8 miles. It's not that far over there, but hopefully things will go well. Very nervous, a lot of work to get to this point. So hopefully things will go good. Well, the doors are shut to the spray booth and you can hear the fans are running, so that means one thing. Buddy's putting a final color on the truck. I'm not gonna be able to show you what the color is. We're gonna wait and do that on the upcoming video, but I hope you like it. I know I'm gonna like it. We thought long and hard on what to do, and I think you'll understand when you see the truck painted and whole. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button if you haven't done so. I'm gonna try to say here, about to burn up, it's 98 degrees, but it is low humidity. That's good for the paint, so we're glad to do that. Have a fantastic rest of your day. We'll see you next time on Race Car Fabrication and Restoration. God bless you. You take care.